I've done this all my life. Looking around everywhere I go, and, well, finding God's creatures. Even in the middle of nowhere. You're watching Nature Nowhere with Nathan Caldwell. Okay, it's raining, so I hope I can do this right. Been wanting to do object lessons for the longest time. And one of the reasons I haven't gotten to is just lack of illustrations. I did get one done. Sometime back. Now, did you see what I did? I took a dead leaf from a tree. Now, I'm going to get in the car because, like I said, it's raining. Okay, hold on, and I'm switching out. Okay, one of the things I've wanted to do for the longest time, I'm able to do today. I just got this dead leaf from off of a tree. You can tell fall is, well, it's here. And so here's the dead leaf from the tree, as you can see. Now, people are dead inside. And sometimes they find out they're dead inside. And they try to change their life. They say, I'm going to turn over a new leaf. Well, we turn over the leaf, but the leaf's not new. This isn't a new leaf. Even if I turn it over, it's not new. This leaf, by the way, is dead. It cannot change itself. Guess what? When a person is spiritually dead, they can't change themselves. It just doesn't happen. However, springtime's going to come. And this dead leaf, it's gone. But what you do see is there'll be new leaves coming on that tree. The one I plucked will be replaced with a new one, a green one, a pretty one. So I can't turn over a new leaf, but God can. Now here's the catch. God, the same God who, when springtime comes, makes this happen, makes the tree flourish into a new tree, can also turn you and flourish you into a new you. You see, a person can't turn over a new leaf. But through Jesus Christ, repenting of sin and trusting Him alone for salvation, God can turn over a new leaf in you. You see, Jesus Christ died on the cross for my sin and yours. But He didn't stay dead. He rose from the dead so that death could have no hold over us, so that sin would be truly defeated. So if you want to turn over a new leaf, sorry. However, if you want God to make a new you, trust Christ.